Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, The Corporate You. Today I'll be showing you all few yoga asanas which will help you reduce your belly fat as well as lose weight quickly to get a flat stomach. We will be doing 7 asanas today. Each asana needs to be performed for 2 minutes at least. What we'll be doing is, we'll perform one asana for 30 seconds. After that you can take a break of 10 to 15 seconds and then repeat that asana again. Try to do this activity for 2 minutes for every asana that you perform. I try to keep the asanas as simple as possible so that you all can practice it at home. So let's start with today's asanas.
The first pose for today is Chaturanga Dandasana or the plank pose. There are 2 variations of it. The first is you can keep your hands this way or like this. So let's first start with the first variation. Chaturanga Dandasana is the best way to strengthen your core. As simple as it looks, its benefits are immense. It is only when you are in the pose that you start to feel its intensity on your abdominal muscles. Practice it for 30 seconds. Take a break of 10 seconds and then repeat it. At least you should do this for 2 minutes. If you are not very comfortable with the first pose, you can try this second variation. The second variation is rather simple compared to the first one. You have to follow it the same way as you did for the first one. Holding it for 30 seconds, a break of 10 seconds and then repeat. Second asana for today is Bhujangasana. This is one of the asanas performed during Surya Namaskar. Even this asana brings a lot of pressure on your core muscles. Practice it for 2 minutes at least. The third asana for today is Virabhadrasana or the warrior pose. Warrior pose is made to improve your balance along with toning your back end, legs and arms. It also helps to tone your tummy and give you a flat belly if you contract your abdominal muscles while you hold the position. Do this alternatively for each side and try to hold for 30 seconds at least. The fourth asana for today is bridge pose. It is also called as Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. This asana is excellent for glutes, thyroid as well as weight loss. It helps to improve muscle tone, digestion, regulates the hormones and also improves the thyroid levels. It also strengthens your back muscles and reduces back pain. The fifth asana for today is Trikonasana. It is also called as the triangle pose. The Trikonasana helps to improve digestion as well as reduce the fat deposited in the belly and waist. It stimulates and improves blood circulation in the entire body. The lateral motion of this asana helps you burn more fat from the waist and build more muscles in the thighs and hamstrings. Though this pose does not make your muscles shake as others do, it does give you the benefit that other asanas do. It also improves balance and concentration. The sixth pose for today is Adho Mukha Shavasana, or the downward dog pose. This pose tones your whole body with a little extra attention to specific muscles. It helps to strengthen your arms, thighs, hamstrings, and back. Holding this pose and concentrating on your breathing engages your muscles and tones them, as well as improves your concentration and blood circulation. The seventh asana and the last asana for the day is Navasana, or the boat pose. The benefit of this asana is it strengthens the abdomen, hip flexors, and spine. It also improves digestion. Doing this for 2 minutes will help you reduce weight quickly within 30 days because it brings a lot of pressure on the core, and it also helps relieve stress.
That was all for today, guys. My personal suggestion and my advice to you all would be, if you all can perform Surya Namaskar with all these asanas, that would be a great add-on to lose your weight quickly. You all can watch the Surya Namaskar video in my YouTube channel. I've already released it earlier. Hope you like this video of today. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you.
Subscribe.